Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change hairstyle in Dress to Impress. Okay, to change your hairstyle, you can go to the salon. You can enter the salon and then you can go to the section, guys, and click on this heart icon. And then here you'll be able to change your hairstyle. And as you can see, guys, that I'm still plain. So I'm going to apply hairstyle to my self. Okay. You can apply more than one hairstyle like this. You can choose the hairstyle that you like, and if you want to remove it, you can click on this X icon. Okay, the time is up and this is my hairstyle. And I think I need to change my skin tone, guys, because it's still plain. If we want to change the skin tone, we can go to the skin tone right here and wait. Okay, and if you want to remove the hairstyle, you can click on this option and you can remove the hair from yourself like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change hairstyle in Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!